How to create a text shake color effect in After Effects. This is very simple to do in After Effects. And this effect is nice to use for normal videos. I saw this effect earlier on in a video from Sunny42. Shout out to him for the inspiration. First what we do is make text. Use the shortcut Ctrl T. It is best to use at least 3 words for a nice effect. The more the better. Now give the text a position and copy and paste the text. Now go to the effects and presets and search for wiggle and use the position wiggle effect. Add it to the bottom layer of the tool. Go now to the control panel and set the wiggle speed value on 6 and set the wiggle amount value on 10. Now change the color on the bottom layer of the tool. Choose a different color for each text for the best effect. Copy now the first layer of the tool and put it a bit further down the timeline, so like I do. Now give the text a different position and change the text of that text layer. Also give the lower layer of the tool the wiggle effect. Now change the color on the bottom layer of the tool. Choose a different color, so like we also did on the first one. And also set the wiggle speed value to 6. And set the wiggle amount value to 10. Now do the exact same thing with your other text. Now cut off just like in the beginning, but in reverse for a nice effect, similar to what I do. You can also change the colors of the words to color the foreground instead of the background, so like I do. Now we need to add some zoom. And that is very easy to do. Select all the text layers and create a composition of the text layers. Select the composition and press on I to go to the beginning. Press S to open the scale. Create a keyframe for scale. Then press O to go to the end of the composition and make the scale bigger. Select all the keyframes and hold down Ctrl while clicking on them. There we go. Now you have created a very nice shake color text effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.